This video is about liquid measurement. Today we will be talking about an acronym or a little picture that can help us with liquid measurements involving gallons, quarts, pints, and cups. So I will be telling you a story and then I will be going back and explaining every part of our picture that I am going to draw. So first we're going to begin with a large G. So this is the gallon kingdom. I'm going to name it the Gallon Kingdom. In the Gallon Kingdom, there were four queens, and their last name was Court. So Queen Court. Each Queen Court had a prince and a princess, and their last name was Pint. Princess Pint and Prince Pint. Then, as they grew older, each prince and princess had two children. So let me explain each part of our gallon kingdom. The G stands for gallon, so like a milk jug. 1 gallon of liquid in a container, gallon. And in 1 gallon, there are 4 quarts, and that's what the Q's stand for. 4 quarts. Quart is about the size of a half and half carton. So if coffee creamer, it comes in like a little slender carton, that is what a quart is. Then you see the P's in the Gallon Kingdom, and those stand for pints. And in 1 gallon, there are 8 pints. Now, a pint is the chocolate or vanilla milk you drink at school in the cafeteria. That's about a pint. And then you'll see little black C's. And in 1 gallon, there are 16 cups or 16 C's. So I'm going to break down this even further. And I'm actually going to draw it again because I want you to draw it with me. So on a piece of paper, I want you to make sure that you have this written down. So 1 gallon, 4 quarts, 1 gallon equals 4 quarts, it equals 8 pints, and it equals 16 cups. So I want to make sure you have that written down. So if you need to, go ahead and pause the video and write it down. All right, now that you have that written down, let's go ahead and draw our gallon kingdom again. And this time we're going to take each step very slowly. So we start out with a large G because this is gallon. And then we draw our Q's because we have 4 quarts. So they're larger Q's so that we can fit our pints and our cups. So we have 4 Q's or 4 quarts. And in 1 quart, we're going to talk about what is in 1 quart. Well, each queen or Q quart had a prince and a princess, so they had 2 pints. So let's talk about pints as P. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So each quart has 2 pints. And then within the quart, each pint has 2 children. So if we talk about pints, 1 pint, the prince and the princess had 2 children or 2 cups. So 2 cups, 1 pint equals 2 cups. So we're going to draw little C's in the P. So we have C, C, that's 2 cups. C, C, that's 4 cups. So in 1 quart or in 1 Q, there are 4 cups. So we can go on and continue the pattern. And at any time, if it's going too fast, you can always pause the video and write it on your paper because you should be writing this with me. So we have 2 cups, 2 cups, 2 cups, 2 cups, and 2 cups. So all together in 1 gallon, there are 16 cups. But in 1 quart, there are 2 pints, and 4 cups. Now, with this, you can answer many questions on a test about liquid volume or liquid measurement. This only pertains to gallons, quarts, pints, and cups. So I hope you enjoyed. This is a little video about the gallon kingdom and liquid measurement.